Have you ever wondered why some people build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? In his best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki shares powerful lessons that can change your financial life forever. Today, we'll break down the top 5 lessons you need to know. Lesson 1. Financial education is everything. Schools teach math, science, and history, but rarely how to manage money. To become financially free, you must understand how money works, how to read financial statements, manage investments, and grow wealth. The rich keep learning, not just academically, but financially. Lesson 2. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket, things like rental properties, investments, or businesses. Liabilities take money out of your pocket, like expensive cars, high-interest loans, or unnecessary gadgets. The rich focus on buying assets. The poor and middle class often accumulate liabilities thinking they're assets. Lesson 3. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Most people trade time for money, but the wealthy create income streams that work while they sleep. Investments, businesses, and passive income are the keys to breaking free from the rat race. Lesson 4. Adopt the right mindset. Fear of failure keeps many people stuck. The rich take calculated risks, knowing that mistakes are part of learning. Your mindset can either hold you back or open doors to wealth and opportunity. Lesson 5. Embrace entrepreneurship and investing. Building a business or making smart investments gives you control over your financial future. Relying only on a job limits your income. But owning businesses or assets multiplies your wealth potential. Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers life-changing financial wisdom. Apply these lessons and start building your own financial freedom today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, which lesson hit you the most?